A tidy house is not merely a reflection of aesthetic preferences, but an embodiment of order and well-being. The importance of maintaining a neat and organized living space extends far beyond visual appeal. It directly influences our mental and emotional states. A clutter-free environment promotes clarity of thought, reduces stress, and fosters a sense of calmness. Moreover, a tidy house facilitates efficient daily routines, allowing for increased productivity and a greater focus on the things that truly matter. As we delve into the realm of smart and effective strategies for maintaining a clean home, it becomes apparent that tidiness is not just a chore, but a strategic investment in our overall quality of life. Here are the 10 tips to keep your house tidy, smart, and clean. Before proceeding to the video detail, make sure you have subscribed to my channel, GIEGIA Home Organization. More videos like this will be coming soon here. 1. Declutter regularly. Embrace the habit of decluttering regularly by identifying and eliminating items that no longer serve a purpose in your home. This simple practice prevents unnecessary accumulation and ensures a streamlined living space. Consider donating or recycling items to minimize waste and contribute to a more sustainable lifestyle. 2. Designate storage spaces. Allocate specific storage areas for different categories of items, such as books, clothes, and kitchenware. Designating spaces not only makes it easier to find things, but also encourages everyone in the household to return items to their designated spots. Invest in multifunctional furniture with built-in storage to maximize space efficiency. 3. Implement the one in, one out rule. Before adding a new item to your home, consider removing or donating a similar item. This rule helps prevent the influx of unnecessary belongings, maintaining a balanced and organized environment. Additionally, adopt a mindful shopping approach, focusing on quality over quantity to reduce the temptation of impulse purchases. 4. Create a cleaning schedule. Establish a realistic cleaning schedule that accommodates your lifestyle. Break down tasks into manageable chunks, distributing them across the week to avoid feeling overwhelmed. Consistency is key to maintaining a perpetually tidy space. Consider incorporating themed cleaning days to address specific areas or tasks, ensuring a comprehensive and systematic approach. 5. Invest in storage solutions. Utilize smart storage solutions such as baskets, bins, and shelving to maximize space and keep items neatly organized. This not only enhances the aesthetic appeal, but also makes cleaning and tidying up more efficient. Explore creative and visually pleasing storage solutions that seamlessly integrate with your home's decor. 6. Develop daily habits. Cultivate small daily habits that contribute to overall tidiness. Simple actions like making the bed, doing the dishes immediately after meals, and putting things back in their place can have a significant impact on the cleanliness of your home. Consider creating a personalized daily checklist to help establish and reinforce these habits. 7. Involve the entire household. Share the responsibility of maintaining a tidy home by involving everyone in the household. Assign specific tasks to each family member, fostering a collaborative effort to keep the living space orderly. Establish a reward system or a rotating chore chart to make the process more engaging and equitable. 8. Prioritize digital decluttering. Extend your decluttering efforts to the digital realm. Regularly organize and delete unnecessary files on your devices, keeping your digital space as tidy as your physical one. Implement a digital filing system for documents and photos, making it easier to locate and manage digital content. 9. Optimus furniture arrangement. Arrange furniture in a way that promotes easy movement and access to storage spaces. A well-organized layout not only enhances the flow of your living space, but also makes cleaning more efficient. Experiment with different furniture arrangements to find the optimal balance between functionality and aesthetics. 10. Celebrate small victories. Acknowledge and celebrate your achievements in maintaining a tidy home. Whether it's completing a cleaning task or successfully decluttering a specific area, recognizing your efforts will motivate you to continue the habit of smart and effective housekeeping. Consider creating a dedicated, tidy space or a visually appealing display to showcase your accomplishments and inspire ongoing dedication to a clutter-free lifestyle. Love hearing from our community. Drop your best tidying tips and thoughts below. We can't wait to read them. Let's inspire each other on this journey to a neat and smart home. Comment away, and happy organizing!